Hey guys, and I'm back again with another Facetory unboxing video. And for today's video, it's the January Facetory box. And yeah, so here's the box. Now we're gonna open it, and here's the box. And the theme for the January box is Ready, Set, Glow. So it's the theme, and so here's the directions and has the key ingredients and benefits, which I will read. So first face mask here in the box is the Facetory Moon Velvet Moisturizing Cream Mask, and this one retails for $4 US, and the key ingredients are shea butter, which gives the skin a smoother surface with its ability to hydrate and minimize pores with its anti-inflammatory properties. And the second one is sodium hyaluronate, a water-binding ingredient that brings moisture to dry, parched skin. And then second one is this DFV7 Vita Pearl Mask. So it's a three-step face mask. So the first step has a bubble cleanser. Step 2 is the mask, and then step 3 is a whitening cream. And there are 3 key ingredients for each. So for the cleanser, the key ingredient is pearl extract, which helps repair damaged skin by generating new skin cell growth and increasing the elasticity of the skin. And then for the mask, it's inositol, a nutrient that has water binding properties to replenish and provide moisture to your skin. And then for the cream, it's niacinamide, which improves the appearance of enlarged pores, an even skin tone, and strength of your skin barrier. And this is the third face mask, which is the Cuscodi Propolis Blanc Cell Mask. So this one right here. And this one also has 2 key ingredients as the first one. And first one is propolis, which is a great anti-inflammatory agent that helps in soothing, healing, and balancing out your skin. And the second one is trehalose, contains rehydrating, water-binding properties that help the skin retain its moisture. So the fourth face mask is a 2-step mask. So the first step is a blooming cell peeling toner pad, and its key ingredient is for the toner is lactic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid that helps reduce acne and provides anti-aging benefits through exfoliation. Then for the mask, it has two key ingredients. First one is green tea extract, which is an antioxidant rich ingredient that provides anti-aging properties which help maintain a firm and elastic skin. And the second one is honey extract, which is an anti-inflammatory and anti-aging ingredient that helps soothe, heal, and moisturize the skin. So the fifth face mask is the Rael Beauty Lab Tea Tree Fresh Forward Mask. And this one has 2 key ingredients. So the first key ingredient of this is tea tree leaf oil, which is an antioxidant skin conditioning agent that protects the skin against free radicals, prevent excess oil production, and evens out skin tone. Second one is Centella asiatica extract, which is high in antioxidants. This ingredient fights inflammation and provides anti-aging properties. And then the sixth face mask is by Ellen Celia Intracell Escargot and Caviar Repairing Mask. So that sounds interesting. So it has 2 key ingredients. First one is glycosaminoglycan, which is an ingredient that comes from snail filtrate and contains skin repairing properties to firm, brighten, and moisturize your skin. And the second key ingredient is caviar extract, which contains anti-aging properties that prevent collagen breakdown. So the last face mask is by Banobagi Vita Cocktail Foil Mask Brightening. So it has two key ingredients. So the first one is niacinamide, which improves the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your skin. And the second key ingredient is adenosine, which is an ingredient that is derived from yeast and functions as a soothing and skin restoring ingredient. So the Moon Velvet face mask retails for $4 US, and this one, Vita Pearl mask retails for $3.50 US, and then this black cell mask retails for $4 US, and then this blooming cell pink pill mask retails for $5 US, and then the tea tree one retails for $3 US, and then the escargot and caviar mask retails for $4.50 US, and this one cocktail foil mask retails for $4 US. So yeah, that's all the face masks that I got from Facetory for the January box. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.